Hi, I'm Pam. I'm here to help you get up and running in Presto as quickly as possible. This video series includes a collection of quick tutorials to teach you the most important aspects of Presto Application Builder. The lessons are arranged in a predefined logical order, but feel free to jump around based on your interest and need. This lesson will provide you with a high-level overview of the key features of Presto. Once completed, you should be comfortable navigating through the Presto Application Builder and getting to where you need to go. Let's start with context. As a system administrator, you will be working between the system admin console and the app you are building. Since both are built in Presto, it's important to realize which context you are working in. We recommend that you keep each in a separate browser tab. This will allow you to build the app in one tab and quickly check the progress and test it out in another. Now that we understand context, let's start in the system admin console. You can access the console by clicking Settings under your User menu. Only users with System Admin role access will have this menu option. The System Admin console is divided into the following sections: Home, Data, UX, Automation, and Access Control. Home is the landing page for the System Admin console. Here you can set the global settings for your solutions and applications. Data has three subsections: Data Sources, Objects, and Fields. Data Sources is the area where you identify the sources of your Presto application data and files. Objects is where you define the main objects or tables where the Presto data is stored. Fields are where you identify the individual fields or columns that are stored in each table. The UX section is where you define the user experience components of the application. This includes views, dashboards, pages, templates, and navigations. The Views section is where we build custom views of the records stored in the objects. Views allow you to display the records in your objects in different ways. For instance, we can create list views, card views, map views, and much more. The Dashboard section is where we control the dashboards we integrate into our application. It is important to note that Presto relies on third-party business intelligence tools like Looker, Looker Data Studio, Tableau, Power BI, etc. for the creation of these dashboards. Pages is where we design custom web pages for our application. Pages will often include embedded fields, views, and/or dashboards. Templates is the area where we create communication templates for emails, SMS messages, and outbound call scripts. And finally, the Navigation section is where we define the sidebar, top bar, and user drop-down menu items that allow the user to get around the application. The Automation section is where you automate the application through workflow processes and AI prediction models. The Access Control section is where you add new users and create and assign roles and permissions and control. Ultimately, this section is how you control who has access to what features and data in your application. Thank you for joining me on my harbor tour of the Presto System Admin console. Explore the Presto Admin Guide and other Presto training videos for a deep dive into each of these sections.